I know it's blurry. I can't get it in focus because of the door, but there's baby birds out there trying to fly the coop. One's up there behind the door, sort of stuck.
One's on the door and one's on the dolly.
There goes it. There it goes. They're gone. Then I'm flown the coop.
One just flew back behind there.